If I don't look like a shopaholic, I don't know who is one. Because it's literally me. Hey my girls and my guys, I literally just got back from the mall and then I came home to like 10 packages. So let's open them. This first one, I already know what it is. So ouch! Ooh, I just cut my, why am I so clumsy? I should not be a flower, really? Ow! Ouch! I just ran into a table yesterday. Okay, now I have a band-aid. I never used to be this clumsy. Maybe, ow, it really hurts. I never used to be this clumsy, and literally, I was telling my dad about how I ran into like a table yesterday, which it wasn't my fault. In my laundry room, the table's like really close. Someone moved everything around. And so now I have this big bruise on the side of my hip. And my dad was like, you really need to be careful because you just ran into a door. Yeah, in December, but I still ran into the door. Anyways, okay. I know this is my new SKIMS swimsuit. And the last time SKIMS had like this really cute reptile swimsuit, I really wanted it. I didn't grab it. So this time they had a crocodile swimsuit. I'm gonna be wearing this tomorrow on a yacht, but super cute. So excited. My friend's coming over right now too, so I have to make this video quick. Ow, see, now I'm cutting the circulation off of my finger. And here's the top. This looks so small. The last time I bought something in a small, it was perfect. And then I bought something in a medium and it was too tight. So I don't really understand like Kim's, I don't know, let's test it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't understand like the sizing, but whatever, I'm wearing it. Next package. Oh, I needed these. I just got new sheets for my bed. I'm trying to change up like the whole color scheme of my studio. I'm trying to incorporate more blacks. So I got 2 black pillowcases. And honestly, so far so great. I just washed and slept on the sheets that I just got from Amazon and I love them. So, and they were only, I think, like $10. Don't quote me, but they're really good. I do have some school stuff in here, so I really have no idea like what's next. Oh, I ordered hair extensions. I wanted to do a little bit of blonde. I'm gonna start adding tape ends to my quick clips. But let's see. Oh, oh wait. Okay. There's not that much in here. Well, good thing they weren't expensive. They were like $30. They're like $50 to be real, but okay. I could do a couple of peekaboo highlights. Quality. Nice. Some people said that their hair got natted, but I'm gonna actually add these in today and see what they look like. Ooh, let's see. I've been seeing a lot of people like mix their browns and their blacks and stuff like that, so this could be a vibe. Like, I'm not, we'll see. I'll do a separate video on that. This is also from Goo Goo Hair. Next package. I needed this book because I have a book report, but I've been listening to the audiobook. This one's also used, and I hate reading. I keep telling my professor that I can't read as a joke. Next package, so excited for this. I got a Béis pink, well, not pink, it's actually berry. It's limited edition, and I already have 2 berry suitcases. So I wanted to make sure that I have the matching bag because I actually have this in beige. And I don't know if I'm gonna sell it or keep it. Not this, but the beige one. But I'm excited to have this. Okay, what's next? Oh, my nails. So I do, what are these? Gel X nails on myself. But I also learned that it's easier to get the Gel X nails that are already etched. So if you ever watch Gel X like DIY videos, they always etch the top of it and then they etch the inside, and like I don't have time for all of that. I also stopped using the Gel X glue because my nails never stay on like ever. So I just started using the press-on glue. but this is what they look like. You can tell that they're kind of like matte on the outside and matte on the inside. And yeah, they're just better. And I think this is Modelones. I don't know if it's Modelones or Modelones, but I love these nails. 10 out of 10. And last but not least is my SHEIN bag. I'm so glad this came because I'm going to the fair right now, and some of the stuff in here I really need, so. Look how big this bag is. It has that fish smell. Ew. I actually really dislike that for me, and it's probably the bag. So first is this white top that I needed when I was going to the Kendrick Lamar concert, but it's fine. I'm pretty sure, yep, this is it. Super cute. This little tie on the side. I might wear this tomorrow, I don't know. And this is kind of big for a small. Sometimes I don't know if I have to get like smalls or extra smalls from SHEIN, but I'm really excited about this top. And I also got it in another color because I got these short that will look perfect with these tops. So here's the other one in a more of a beige color. And I'm excited to try it on. Oh, I'm taking this to Vegas for sure because I'm going to the Kendrick Lamar and SZA concert again. But in the event that we want to go like to a pool or something, I got this little number. It looks so cute on the girlies. And hopefully it looks cute on me. And hopefully I can wear this to like a swim party or something. Oh, yeah, it's a swimsuit. So this swimsuit is actually a dupe. White Fox, I think, has the same one. I got this in black, and a lot of people like to wear them as bodysuits or swimsuits. And where is it? It crosses somewhere. I don't know, but this is it. It looks kind of small. But I also have it in pink from White Fox, and I was like, why would I get the same swimsuit if it's literally like 10%? No, what's math? It's like a fourth of the price. I don't know how to put this on though. We'll see. I'm happy it's here. Oh, this dress. Got it in an extra small because the smalls are like really loose on me on SHEIN. But isn't that cute? Oh, I'm so excited. I might bring this to Vegas too. This is beautiful. Next I needed swimsuits. I thought I was gonna be on a TV show this year. I don't think that's happening, but I wanted to make sure I have a lot of swimsuits. And here's one of them in a green color. This is so pretty. I'm actually really glad that I got it because I was a little bit hesitant. And here are the bottoms. A little bit revealing, but what's not these days? If I would have gotten it in a bigger size, it just wouldn't have fit, so. And then I also got that same swimsuit in 2 more colors. One of my favorite shades, a little purpley lavender pinky color. Cute. And then here are the bottoms. If my parents saw me wear those, they would eat me alive. And I got one in light blue. Super cute. I love it. I know I'm like pulling it all crazy, but. And then here are the bottoms. This is such a beautiful color. I love light blues. I don't always think that they look good on me, but whatever. What is this? Oh, another top that I thought I was gonna be able to wear. Why is this so loose? Maybe I'm just gonna have to start getting extra smalls and everything. And I'm not even that small. That's the crazy part. Now for the good stuff. So I got, yeah, it's definitely the bags. How do you get that scent out? So here is one of the bags. I got it in white. I was actually looking for a bag to put my charms on because I'm gonna start, whenever I travel, getting keychains everywhere and then putting them on a purse. Here's one of the purses. It smells terrible. I really do not know what to do about this scent. I don't know, maybe I'll clean it with Dawn soap. Let's smell the inside. Not too bad. I read something about them like putting these types of like fake leathers in fish oil, but I bought like a couple of things from SHEIN and I haven't been smelling the fish, or maybe that was Fashion Nova. I don't know. I'll let it air out though. Last bag. This is the one I'm really excited for. This is the one I'm gonna be putting all of the keychains on. And I saw a girl post it on SHEIN, and I wanted a black one, but I couldn't find a black one, only on TikTok for like triple the price. But when I saw this, I was like, that's the one. Yay! Okay, anyways, that is my haul. I know it was really, really quick, but I am on a time crunch. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.